Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI, and I want to tell you about our favorite new accessory for the summer in our backyard. This is the Rapid Shelter 10x10 tent, and I love how easy it is to set up. Even though we have a lot of trees in our backyard, it doesn't provide much cover, so when I want to go outside with my kids, I want to make sure that we are protected from the sun. And lately we have actually been having some weirdly cold and rainy weather, and my son loves to play outside, so it's been really great to have this tent so we can still play outside even when the weather's not great and we don't get wet or sunburned. This tent has not even budged. It has stayed exactly where we put it, and it's been here for quite a while, and it is in excellent condition. It is not faded, there's no tears. It is still just as strong as when we put it up. It's also super awesome for on the go because it has this carry bag, which makes it so much easier to take with you wherever you want to go. Whether you're looking for something for your yard or for camping or for the beach, I highly recommend this tent from Rapid Shelter. It's so easy to put up and very easy to store with the convenient carry bag. We love it and you will too, and that's my point of view.